Hey guys, today we're gonna be practicing butterfly knife trick. And by the way, just because it looks real doesn't mean it's real. It's only a comb, YouTube. Don't you dare demonetize me with just because of this. Wait, not demonetize. What is it called again? Don't take this video down just because of this. This comb. It's a comb. A comb. So you better watch until this point, so you don't demonetize me. All right. Anyways, time to practice it. Hold up. No wait. No! All right. So I have to hold on the seriously. Oh. Ow! Even though it's only a comb, it's made of metal, and these spines of the comb. Oh my! Hold up. How do you do that trick again? So like, how do you do that? So like this, then like that. But before the blade hits your fingers, you need to like twist your wrist. Okay, nice. So there. Oh no! This short is already 1 minute. I can see it from like here. Yes, there. But it's only visually on screen for me because I'm the one who created this. Anyways. Yes, it's recording my microphone. Okay. Okay. Alright, so just doing some random movements. Okay, come on! Oh. Hold up, let me cut. Alright, I think I've practiced it. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, no. Okay, that was close enough. That was close. What am I doing? I only have a few seconds left. Hold up. One last. I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh! I did it!